Great, thanks.
I think Daniel's gonna read
Yes.
that.
Sorry, I had a knock on my door right as we hit 9 o'clock. So I will read the housekeeping, and then we'll probably need to go back on mute and turn off my camera temporarily for there's somebody at the door. But apologies. Welcome, committee members, liaisons, and members of the public to today's Legal Services Trust Fund Commission Eligibility and Budget Review Committee meeting. Thank you for joining us. We are using Zoom with the goal to foster a more inclusive environment and effective meeting. If you would like to comment during the meeting, please use the raised hand feature. To use the raised hand feature by phone, dial *9 on your phone's dial pad to raise your hand and the same *9 to lower your hand. Please utilize this tool to virtually indicate that you would like to speak in order to help the chair facilitate the discussion. Going forward, all commission and committee meetings will be recorded and posted on the State Bar website. A friendly reminder that this is a video conference and to please be aware of your surroundings behind you. For those using Zoom on a computer, when on mute, holding down the space bar will temporarily unmute you. If you use your phone to dial into this meeting, please be sure your computer's microphone is on mute to avoid audio feedback issues. And while joining audio via computer is highly recommended, if an individual loses audio, they can call in separately using the Zoom conference number. Thank you.
Thanks, Danielle. Okay, and we have Pamela now, and I think that's who we expect for this one.
Yes.
Great. Okay, why don't we go with roll call?
Connolly,
Present.
McClogy, Fightmaster, Bennett,
Here.
Blakemore,
Here.
Klein. Oh, I see Judge Klein is here. Meeker.
Here.
And then I'll go through liaisons and State Bar staff. Selena Copeland. Bonnie is not here, but I see Melanie is. Dawn Wynn. Brady Dewar. And Danielle is here. Thank you.
Great. Do we have any members of the public for public comment?
Zach Newman from LAC is here. I'm not sure
Hi,
if
Zach.
you want-
Do you want to make any public comment?
No public comment. I'm just attending on behalf
okay.
of LAC and Selena. Yeah, thanks everyone.
Got it. That's what I assumed, but just wanted to check. Any other members of the public?
No one else.
Okay, great. All right, why don't we move into the approval of the minutes from last time? Does anybody have any concerns about the meeting summary from our July 15th meeting? Okay, hearing nothing. Does anybody up for making a motion to approve it?
I'll move.
Okay, thanks, Jim. Seconds?
Catherine.
Thank you.
Connolly,
Yes.
McClogy, Fightmaster, Bennett,
Yes.
Blakemore,
Yes.
Klein,
Yes.
Meeker.
Yes.
Motion passes.
Great, thank you. Okay, I guess we can move into business. So the first one is the update on the Central California Legal Services Fiscal Monitoring Visit findings. Erica, are you handling that?
Yeah, I'll just bring up a PowerPoint quickly. That's the wrong screen, sorry. Well, you don't really need the slide for that. So Central California Legal Services recently had a monitoring visit where there were two sort of major fiscal findings. One of them was that they had unspent State Bar funding in a significant amount. I believe it's mostly partnership grants. And my understanding was that during the pandemic, they had difficulty running their partnership grant programs because they're attached to the court. And a lot of the courts were closed or difficult to access at that time. But they did also have some unspent IOLTA funding And so the state bar is invoicing them to return the funds. But that was one finding. And then the other was that there had been some inaccurate financial reports. So for example, with their carryover from last year, they had underestimated the amount of carryover by, I believe, about $80,000. So we are working with them to sort that out and make sure that their reports are accurate and up to date, and that if there were any other unspent funds, that they are returned when invoiced as well. But because of those findings, staff is going to recommend a follow-up visit with the organization just to make sure that whatever it is they need to do to update their systems to make sure that they have accurate reports and the ability to return the funds in a timely fashion are implemented. But we haven't received their response to the monitoring visit yet. So probably at the November meeting for the committee, we'll bring an update on that, as well as scheduling for the follow-up visit. Yes, Catherine.
So in addition to the fiscal findings, were there any sort of governance findings that go with that? Like, I don't know what their reporting is to the board. I mean, it's just sort of like there's a fiscal finding and then there's sort of the administrative oversight and governance questions that might raise, because that seems like that should have been part of their, financial reporting to the board, and what actions did the board, what was the board's oversight of that, etc. So
Sure. So I believe we're still working on the program findings. They haven't gone out yet. So I can give an update on that once I get the report. But I've only seen the fiscal side of the report at this point.
great, thank you.
I have a quick question. Is the overestimate on the carryover related to the unused IOLTA funds? Are those sort of related issues? Are they two separate things?
I think they're two separate things, because we were, in terms of the accounting I saw for unused funds, that's from 2020, but I believe in terms of the inaccurate financial reporting for carryover, that was for 2021. So.
But do we get an audit from them, right? Or do we get financial reviews from them?
No, we get an audit from them.
Okay, so the issue that they're just not tracking very well on sort of a day-to-day, like they're reporting to the auditor numbers that are not accurate, or did this show up on the audit at all?
I would need to check with fiscal staff about that.
I was just curious.
I can find out. Yeah.
I was just trying to get a sense of like whether the audit is picking up these financial issues, or I mean, it's good that we do a check-in as well, but just useful to know.
Right.
If there's a redundancy or not. Okay. Cool. Do you need anything from us as far as a vote or anything?
No. It just is an update. We thought we might have the final memo by this meeting to give a fuller update, but it's not complete yet. So that's kind of the extent of the info I have right now, but I'll put it on the agenda to revisit in November.
Great. Yeah. And then I assume at that time, if you guys recommend a follow-up meeting, we can take a vote or something on that if necessary.
Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense to me. Great. Any other questions from the committee? Okay, hearing none, I think we can move to the role of commission or committee description document.
Yeah. So I believe at the last meeting, we mentioned that we're working on developing a sort of a description of the Eligibility and Budget Review Committee, and this is part of a larger process of every subcommittee is kind of undertaking this task of outlining the major responsibilities of the committee, the responsibilities of staff, the points where the committee has discretion versus where the committee needs to make recommendations to the commission and the like. So we had attached to your meeting materials proposed committee description for eligibility and budget review for you to take a look at. If it's helpful, I can put up the document itself on the screen if anybody wants to look at it. But basically, we are hoping that, you know, it satisfies what everybody thinks this committee does and its role within the commission, and would be asking you to vote on whether that should be incorporated in the larger document once it's finalized for the entire commission. So.
Any comments or feedback on the document from anyone in the committee? Catherine? Oh, Catherine, sorry, you're still on mute.
I clicked the wrong thing in my effort to raise my hand. Thank you. So maybe it's implied in the document. So it seems like a portion of what we do are make recommendations to the larger commission, but it doesn't really say that. So is that just an implication? I mean, what it says is like, here's what we can decide and here's what the trust fund commission decides. So is the I just like just clarification about that.
Yes, the last section of the document is, it says where the committee proposes a resolution. So those would be the points where it's sort of in the form of a recommendation, or the committee has done the first level of review and analysis. So that would be the section that on the second page that's applicable to.
Okay.
Do you think, Catherine, that we should be more explicit in our, like, the sort of description before the bullet points about we make recommendations for the.
And it's just like, not all of them to me are like a resolution. Like some of them are just like a recommendation to approve. Like today, it's like a recommendation to approve. There's not really, there's not anything to resolve, I guess. So.
Okay, that's a good like feedback. We can sort of switch that around to say makes recommendations to. Would that you think be more
Yeah, I mean,
accurate?
I feel like it's more accurate for the things that are under it, but really, if that's, we don't need to spend a lot of time on it. I think, you know,
Yeah,
whatever word you want to use is fine.
makes sense. Thank you. Pamela, you have your hand raised as well.
No, I just want to cover how I appreciate your first paragraph, right? Because that kind of leans into the work in terms of eligibility, right, and making those assessments. So I appreciate the that first paragraph because that determines the service. So that can't be avoided.
Yeah.
So that's just it.
Great. Awesome. Okay. Well, I think that we can, you know, Erica or Brady, unless you have concerns, it seems like we could probably make that change that Catherine had recommended on the last section. And do we need to vote on this to sort of adopt it?
Yes.
Okay. So would anybody, if there's no further discussion, is anybody up for making a motion?
So Catherine will move the motion as with the one change in the wording.
Great.
I'll second.
Is there something you can put on the screen just to review it real quickly, or the change?
It's just going to say on the second page, like proposes a resolution or proposes a recommendation to the full committee.
Okay.
Yeah, I can pull it up quickly.
Yeah. I think it's just a one word swap.
In this line.
Yeah, great.
Great. Anyone up for seconding?
I believe Jim did.
Yeah.
Oh, you did. Oh, okay. Thanks, Jim. Sorry.
So I'll take roll. Connolly,
Yes.
Loggy, Fight Master, Bennett,
Yes.
Blakemore,
Yes.
Klein,
Yes.
Meeker.
Yes.
The motion passes.
Great. Are we like the first ones to get our our statement in. Either way, I'm proud of us. We got our statement in.
I think the Partnership Grants Committee may have sneaked in there.
Ah, beat us.
Yeah. But
Okay, well, next time there's an amendment, we'll get there.
yeah.
Okay, let's move into the grant application stuff. So I think the first one is the Coalition of California Welfare Rights Organization.
Yeah. So hopefully this is working correctly now. Okay. So as you all may recall, when we went over audit extension requests in June, this organization had submitted their reviewed financial statement on time. They had met the deadline, but the issue with Coalition of California Welfare Rights Organizations was that the financial review was insufficient because their reported corporate expenditures were over $500,000. And according to the rules of the state bar and the schedule of charges and deadlines, that's the threshold for needing to do a full audit. So they had submitted something that had been acceptable in the past because they had never exceeded $500,000, but based on their financial statements from fiscal year 2020 to 2021, they had gone a little bit over that $500,000 limit. So the committee had recommended and the commission approved an extension through August 10th in order for them to actually get the audit completed, which they did. They actually submitted it on August 1st, and staff reviewed the audit and made sure that they made necessary updates to their application so that it conformed to the new financial statements that came in. So having received that and reviewed the audit in tandem with the application, staff is satisfied that they've, met the requirement and, made appropriate changes to their application. So we don't have any further eligibility concerns with them or with their compliance with getting in a complete application. They also did let us know when they submitted their audit for this application cycle that they have already engaged an auditor to start this most recent fiscal year audit in September. So they already plan on doing an audit and they will have it completed well in advance of the deadline in May of next year. So they were the last organization to, they had the latest extension date. All the other organizations that we had discussed earlier in the summer had submitted their audits by the end of June as required. So just wanted to make sure that we gave an update on this organization because they did have such a late extension date. So, yes, Erica.
So great, thank you for the update on this. And I just wanted to, I guess I have two questions. One is, what is their fiscal year that they're starting in September?
It ends in June 30th, I believe.
Oh, okay, okay.
So.
Got it. So they're on the July to June thing. And then the second question is, I think when we approved the extension, it was pursuant to them giving us an explanation of how they were going to avoid this next year. And do you feel like the engaging an auditor and assurances of that is sufficient to meet that criteria?
Yes, I do. Just
Okay.
because it should be completed beforehand. And even if, for example, even if they fell below 500,000, like they're doing the full audit. So I guess to cover all of their bases, they're just going to go with an auditor or
Great.
to have an audit conducted for future years.
Awesome. Great. Okay, those are my questions. Any other questions from committee members? Good. I'm glad they were able to get their audit together.
Yes, we're also happy to see that.
Okay, I guess we can move to B, the support center deeming results.
Yeah, so under the statute, support centers that were not in operation as of December 31st, 1980 in California, the statute says that those organizations have to be deemed of special need by a majority of the qualified legal services projects that they provide legal support services to. So our office practice has been to have the qualified legal services projects vote on a particular organization every 3 years. So every year there are different organizations depending on when they were found eligible for the 3-year cycle. So this year there was only one sports center. It was the Center for Gender and Refugee Studies, the California arm of that organization. So we had the ballot open for about a month over the summer and pulled all of the QLSPs, their primary contacts or their designated contact. And so they needed 41 votes to be deemed eligible. As you can see from the results, they exceeded that. They had 59 yes votes, 5 no's, 1 abstain, and then about 15 of the QLSPs didn't respond, which we treat those as no votes, but did want to make the distinction between who actually voted no and who just didn't respond. So, the agenda, it says to approve these, but you don't actually have to approve them. It's to review these results. So, so they've been deemed for the coming grant year and are presumed eligible because of that.
What do they do?
I believe they provide support services in impact litigation and technical training assistance on things like immigration work, for like U visas for survivors of violent crime, things like that.
That would be refugee. So I was curious about this is gender and refugee.
Mm-hmm.
Are those separate categories, or are they somehow related? It's a sort of a more narrow issue of refugees.
I think they sometimes overlap, but I think they can also treat,
They can be quite different. That's why I was curious. All right.
Jim, you had a question?
Yeah, a couple of questions. How do you determine which providers you contact for a vote?
We contact all of the current qualified legal services projects, and by default, we send it to their primary contact, which is usually the executive director of the qualified legal services project. But we do, we message the organizations in advance and say, if you want to designate somebody else on your staff as the person to vote, because we take 1 vote from every organization. And we also, encourage them to check in with their staff and see what their staff thinks in terms of the benefit that they've received from the support center. But it's 1 vote per organization, and by default, it goes to the executive director usually.
And you include organizations that, given the specialty of the support center, may never ever use their services?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I mean, and you're treating non-responses as a no?
Right.
Is that required by statute?
The first part, yes, the statute says they need to be deemed by a majority of qualified legal services projects, not just the ones that would avail themselves of their services. But as far as the no vote or did not respond vote distinction, that's not required under the statute. That's just been our practice.
That just seems a little harsh to me. I mean, it doesn't really affect the results here, but especially if you get a support center that gives specialized support, which maybe a lot of the providers don't actually use or need, or they give support in areas that aren't relatable to, say, like Northern California or something like that. I don't know, has any organization not been deemed?
Not that I'm aware of. I think most years, the results I've seen since I've been on staff, the results are pretty similar to what you're seeing here. You might see something that breaks over 60, maybe 61, 62, but this seems pretty standard in terms of the results that I've seen before. But we do also, when we message this to the organizations, to the qualified legal services projects, we let them know that if they don't respond, it's going to be treated as a no. So that's disclosed to them. So that's sort of their choice. If they don't want to respond, then they understand that that's how it would be treated. But,
Well, it may not be harsh, because sometimes people don't respond
because, they don't want to go on record. They don't like the organization. And I don't want to focus too much on the title, but are the studies related to litigation? There's a lot of people study gender and refugees. Do we know?
Yeah, I mean, they do, as far as I understand, they co-counsel on cases, and they do provide training for attorneys that are litigating, cases with individual clients that would be focused on these topics. Dwan?
Yeah, I was just going to say, this Deeming was one of the first topics for the Rules Committee a couple years ago when they started, and there was a recommendation to make it a little bit of a more meaningful process, but the Rules Committee decided to defer that until they do all the kind of support center activities. But in terms of the abstention, one thing that we heard when we were doing that research is exactly what Judge Klein just said. Some programs don't want to cast a no vote on record, so they rather just abstain and let it be a no. So it's a small community, and so they don't want to, it's anonymous voting, but they don't want to be on the record saying no, so they abstain purposefully. But that will be all revisited again once that topic goes back before the Rules Committee.
Catherine?
Just two comments. They actually have a nice website if anybody's looking at it. It's part of UC Hastings, so it's their acronym CGRS, I think, at UC Hastings.edu. But so if you're interested, it gives a nice summary of their work. But the thing I was really going to say is I think one of the nice things the bar staff has support centers do is provide information annually to the programs about the services that are available and the work they've undertaken, so that there's just a nice way of informing people. Like my organization wouldn't have necessarily used this support center, but it's a way of sort of seeing the value, and it provides you, because you can provide your clients with a link to that website. If somebody contacted us, but it was an area outside of what we did, there was a way to then use them as a resource to help the sort of larger client community. So anyway, just offering that there is information available to programs, and there's ways to use that information, even if you're not getting kind of the work as the direct work as a support center. So I think it's a pretty good process.
Yeah, thank you for mentioning that, Catherine. That is part of the application for support centers as well, that they have to send out at least 2 notices per year directly to qualified legal services projects. And then I believe the Legal Aid Association of California also compiles a directory every year that's updated, that goes out to their members, so that they also have access to that resource if they're looking for a particular type of organization where they need technical assistance. So it's even if for some reason an organization doesn't use the services of that support center in a given year, they would be aware of the services that they're providing and its potential benefit for the direct service providers.
Yeah, I just I had like kind of 2 points follow up with Catherine. Is first, I, as a Hastings alum, know that actually it's not going to be Hastings anymore. It's going to be the San Francisco College of the Law or something like that. So that's going to be a new thing that I know I'm going to have to be like figuring out how to reword. And also what's up?
I think it's be UC San Francisco Law School.
Yeah, it's swapping out because it's currently University of California Hastings College of the Law. So it's going to be University of California San Francisco College of the Law, because they can't, there's some negotiation with like UCSF's like science and medical side. They're not formally combining. But yeah, it is going to be like UCSFCOL. I don't know.
It's a lawyer who apparently has a lot of spare time. He's suing on that.
Really?
Oh yeah, he said, well, I don't want to digress, but he says Hastings isn't guilty of what they said, and obviously, well, blah blah, and he's suing, and I don't know about the conditions of the grant. So some people have time on their hands and like these projects. They haven't read Shakespeare and knows, but a rose by any other name, whatever. But I'm
know.
I'm a Berkeley law grad, so we've been through this.
I was gonna say, yeah, they have their own naming debates.
Yeah.
And then
Not to editorialize, when I read that, I knew within 5 minutes they're going to change the name of the committees and this, and, the reach the
Yeah.
office. All right, enough of my pontificating.
that's fine. The other point I wanted to make is the Center for Gender and Refugee Studies is really focused on immigration stuff. As far as I know, it's not just doing gender studies, but it does do a lot of work where gender and refugee status combine or overlap. Sort of intersectionality is the kind of formal term is. So I think it does a lot with like Erica said, like U visas, issues where women are facing, they have done work like policy work and stuff like that on where there are these particular issues, but I don't think it's limited to just women who are facing those issues. But I think that's some of the niche that they're trying to get to is discrimination involving and asylum work involving sexual orientation, gender identity, that kind of stuff. So just to give a little color on that too. I think Judge Klein, you had questions about what they do.
I'm looking at the website, so I see that, yeah, asylum's a big big aspect of it. All right.
Pamela, you have your hand
No,
raised?
just a quick question. Does that conflict with the requirement for services to be for Californians or no?
So support centers are not required to only operate in California, and our eligibility guidelines allow them to count similar supportive services outside of California as a qualified expenditure. But my understanding is that this organization, this is actually the California arm of the organization, and so that it is actually focused on providing services to qualified legal services providers and other pro bono attorneys in California.
Also, don't hold me. I'm not an expert on it. So if I'm saying something that conflicts with what they do, what they've said, go with them. So sorry, Pamela, if I created questions. I was just recalling from my time at Hastings. Cool. Any other questions? No? Okay, I think we can move to outstanding eligibility issues.
Yeah, happy to report that we don't have any.
Amazing. We didn't even have any eligibility and review conferences this year.
Yeah, a bit of an anomalous year, but made things a little smoother.
Maybe everyone's just they understand the rules and there's no need for our guidance on that right now. Okay, so then I guess the last thing on our agenda is recommending the applicants as eligible or ineligible. So you want to walk us through that, Erica?
Sure. So since we're going to be talking about and then ultimately voting on all of the applicants for 2023 IOLTA EAF funding, I just wanted to give another reminder that when you're voting, if you have a potential conflict regarding any of the organizations, if you can recuse yourself as to that organization, so you can still vote on the ultimate question of eligibility for the rest of the applicants. But if you have any organization where you need to recuse yourself, you can do it as to that organization. So we had 102 applicants this year for funding in 2023. 81 of those were qualified legal services projects. So those are, primarily the direct service providers. And then we had 21 support centers, which provide the legal support services, technical assistance and training to QLSPs and pro bono attorneys. So this is pretty standard in terms of our breakdown of the two types of grantees. We did have we had two new applicants. One of them withdrew pretty early in the process. So we still have one new applicant, which I will get to in a minute in terms of we're not recommending them as eligible, but everybody else is a returning and an existing grantee. So just wanted to kind of go over some of the major eligibility questions that the committee has already gone over this summer. One of them was audit extensions. An audit is necessary for a complete application. So we did that in June. You know, last meeting you reviewed primary purpose for the organizations that fell below the presumption of meeting primary purpose. We went over the pro bono SC applicants, which are qualified legal services projects that are seeking an additional allocation because their principal means of service delivery is through pro bono. And those were those applicants that had narrative descriptions because they didn't meet one of the quantitative tests. We just talked about deeming. And then, you know, any other possible non-qualifying activities would also be handled by this committee. But as we were just saying, fortunately, this application round, we didn't have any major questions or concerns about any of the applicants and the work that they're doing and whether it would be considered qualifying or not. So we didn't have any eligibility review conferences in this application cycle, but typically that is something that would have been handled by this committee prior to reaching this point of voting on eligibility. So those are kind of all the main questions that we've gone over already. And then, as you saw in the memo, staff is recommending that of the 102 applicants, that you find 101 of them, or recommend 101 of them as eligible to the commission. And one applicant as ineligible, which is the Santa Barbara Immigrant Legal Defense Center, which the reason they're being recommended as ineligible was that they submitted an application without an audit or a reviewed financial statement. They are a new applicant. Staff had followed up with them and explained that they needed this document in order for the application to be complete. They requested an extension, but the extension wasn't granted because they hadn't demonstrated extraordinary circumstances. And so when staff followed up with them and informed them of that, they said they had also decided not to actually even obtain the reviewed financial statement at that point either, given the cost involved, and that they, you know, understood that, you know, that would make it difficult or not possible for them to move forward with the application. So they never formally withdrew their application, which is why we are recommending them as ineligible because it is pending. But based on staff's discussions with the organization, it understands that it would not be recommended as eligible and would not likely be found eligible.
I have a question. At one of the meetings, I don't remember what is this one, there was a proposed grant for people who didn't pass the bar with one of the agencies.
Mm-hmm.
And I know there was a brief discussion. Is that one of these that's in there?
I think you're referring to the provisionally licensed lawyer grants, which are administered through the commission, but those go through the executive committee. So some of these.
That's not on this list.
Right. So that's like a specific grant that several of our grantees had. I believe 20 or 25 grantees received that grant, but this is dealing strictly with the IOLTA and EAF funding. So.
All right. I'll save my comments for whenever they're up there. Okay.
Yeah, this one's just the formula. So if they met the primary purpose, you know, and we sort of made those interim determinations. At this point, we just have to kind of, you know, more formally recommend to the commission that we find them otherwise eligible.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. Other questions or comments?
So we also had a discussion about public counsel, and remember there was going to be a meeting. How much was national causes? How much for California? And is that part of this or?
Yes, I think that may have been the follow up to that was at a meeting where you were not present. But basically, the outcome of that was that the organization had voluntarily decided to withdraw that request from consideration. So it deducted its expenditures related to out-of-state cases. Yeah.
Yeah, I think they couldn't, I think they decided they couldn't segregate it in the way that we had requested of them. So they just withdrew in total.
Oh, it's too bad. I mean, I think it was good that we asked those questions. It's too bad they couldn't segregate it, but. Anyway.
Yeah. But I think it was, you know, I think we pushed in the right way.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Yeah.
In a second, I just commenting.
Yeah, it is too bad.
It's
Yeah.
a tough project, but
Mhm.
yeah, it doesn't mean we would fund it. All right.
Yeah, exactly. I always feel like with these, we're always like, it's not like we don't like the project. It's just the statute only allows us to fund certain kinds of things. So, yeah. Are there any other comments or questions? Okay. Do we have a motion? Perfect.
And Brady,
Catherine moves.
Brady, you have your hand raised?
Yeah, I was just going to jump in before the vote, just to follow up on the conflicts comment you made. We'll mention it at the Trust Fund Commission meeting also. After the last meeting, we sent out a questionnaire got responses from about half the people. So I think we'll send that out again. But just as a reminder for this group, the recommendations would be that when you vote, you make your vote, then abstain as to, and again, based on what we know or the responses we've received, it would be Catherine abstaining with respect to Disability Rights California, and Jim with respect to Public Law Center, just based on the very recent long-term relationships. So that's my plug, and when you get the email, everyone please take 5 minutes to respond. Thanks.
Sorry, are we supposed to respond if we don't have conflicts? I used to have one with CLESPA, but I had a good friend that worked there, but she doesn't work there anymore. So I don't assume there's a conflict anymore because she's not there. But I'm happy. I apologize. I didn't respond because I didn't have
Oh, no
any.
problem. I mean, I can't even remember what the questions were, but I mean, if the responses I got were, you know, oh, and I've done this volunteer work. I mean, they were pretty, the people who did respond were pretty, so they disclosed things that wouldn't necessarily rise to a conflict, but are good to know, especially maybe if it, you know, if a particular issue came up with an investigation in a particular person, then I would ask them, oh, do you have knowledge of this, you know?
Sure. Okay.
You know, there might be a conflict that not be a conflict for all purposes, but might be if something specific about the organization came up. So it's just good to know the relationship.
Okay. Yeah. All right. I'll make sure I submit any things I know about anybody. Great. Thank you for that reminder. Okay, so Catherine's moved. And any seconds?
I'll second.
Okay, thanks, Jim.
Connolly,
Yes.
McCloskey, Fightmaster, Bennett,
Yes.
Blakemore,
Yes, abstaining as to Disability Rights California.
Klein,
Yes.
Meeker.
Yes, abstaining as to Public Law Center.
Motion passes.
Great. Okay. That looks like that's it on our agenda. Eric, is there anything else? You know? Nope. All right. Well, everybody, we get 2 hours and 15 minutes before our next meeting. Thank you all for the, Catherine?
Yeah, I just want, do we have a date? You referenced to November. I didn't look at my calendar. Is there already a date for that meeting, or the dates will be set in the new once?
There's one on November 4th.
Okay, I'll look for that then.
Yeah.
November 4th. Yeah,
Yes. Dawn.
not good.
I just want to say, and I'm sorry, I apologize, I was late for the meeting, so you all might have already said this, but this is the last meeting of the term for the commission this later today and for this respective committee as well. So I just, on behalf of the staff, just want to thank everyone. I know there's some people that are going to be staying on, you know, your term is not ending, and there's some people, there might be some shuffling around committee members. So this composition of members might not be together again. So I just, again, on behalf of the staff, really want to thank everyone for your hard work. This is definitely one of the most important committees on the commission. And Erica, thank you so much for leading us the last couple of years.
Yeah, I'll add my appreciation for Erica, who does a remarkable job with all of the
Well,
amount of information that has to be put
Right.
together for this committee in particular. And she's just incredible in doing that. So big thank you.
Yeah.
Agreed. Erica and Erica.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Sure.
I
And
know.
a great chair of the committee as well.
Thank you. But yes, the staff, thank you very much. And thank you all to the committee members. I feel like we've done over the last couple of years we've turned this into a very well-oiled machine and had our various debates and informed the rules committee on a lot of the things, because the rules committee deals with a lot of stuff that we have to deal with, and there's some overlap. So thank you all. Thank you to staff. And I sort of credit some of the no eligibility review conferences to staff, like getting ahead, talking with the organizations, helping them interpret things. So I think that's a great asset. And yes, thank you for all of Erica, for all of the information summaries that you do for us. Really appreciate it.
Same.
Yeah, it's been great partnering with you.
Mm.
All right, well, thank you all. And I'm sure we'll see you all we'll see you in an hour and a couple hours, but sure see you around in more meetings as we go forward.
Okay.
Thanks
Thank
a lot.
you.
Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.